Hello everybody. I wish and hope all of you are really safe and doing good with great health. I dreamt my painting and then I painted my dream. How wonderful is it? Visualizing something and painting it into a beautiful picture is a brilliant art. Here we are with the second workshop from Story Labs with the theme Paint Your Story. This would happen on this Sunday, that is 30th of May, and the children between age group 6 to 10 can register for this workshop. Along with the video, I am giving you all the details, the registration link, the contact details and the program details. So please go ahead and do your registrations. And you can always contact us for any sort of queries and concerns. Thank you so much and take care.